Sri Lanka crisis. The main reason for the economic crisis in any country depends on the system of the country. If the country is run smoothly, then the problem of economic crisis will never arise. There is an economic crisis going on Sri Lanka right now. Everything there has become very expensive, due to which people have been suffering a lot. The economy of Sri Lanka is mainly based on tourism. Sri Lanka is a very beautiful country where tourists come to visit. Corona epidemic is also a reason for the economic crisis in Sri Lanka. Following are the reasons for the economic crisis of any country, which are as follows. Number 1. COVID-19 epidemic. Corona epidemic is also one of the main reasons for the country economic crisis, because there are many such countries whose tourism is an important part of the country's revenue. The corona pandemic has caused a lot. Number 2. Decrease in foreign exchange reserve. Low foreign exchange reserve are also the reason for economic crisis. Due to the decrease in foreign exchange, the people of the country have to buy foreign currency first to import goods, due to which the country's rupee depreciate. Number 3. Tax cut. The country also has to face economic crisis due to the tax cuts, because the tax cut causes a loss in the revenue of the country, due to which the country may face economic crisis. Number 4. Foreign debt. The country has to go through a period of economic crisis even with foreign debt. Excess foreign debt creates economic crisis for the country, the effect of which the people there has to suffer. Therefore, it is important to run the country properly and smoothly so that the country never has to face economic crisis. Thank you.